To turn on Assistive Touch, first we're going to go into our Settings app. On the left side, we are going to scroll down until we see Accessibility, which is a blue icon with a white person on it. Now, we are going to select Touch. We must first turn on Assistive Touch. You will see this appear on your screen. I'm going to stash it away in the bottom left corner for now. We have three options right here with a single tap, double tap, and long press. We are going to use all three. First, I'm going to tap on single tap. For single tap, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find Screenshot. After it's checked, I'll hit the back, and now we have, when we press it once, we're going to get a screenshot. Then I'm going to go into double tap. For double tap, I'm going to scroll down until I see lock screen. Then I'll hit the back button. Lock screen will turn my iPad in the screen off mode. Finally, I'm going to go to long press. And this time I'm going to scroll down until I see restart. Then I'm going to go to the top and make sure it's at least a second, but you can make it even longer at 2 seconds so that you don't accidentally hold the button down and restart your iPad without wanting to. So I recommend 2 seconds. And then I will select back. You can see now that when I tap it once, I will get a screenshot. When I double tap it, it'll turn my screen off. And when I hold it down for 2 seconds, my iPad will restart. This will really help if you are struggling with pushing in the volume buttons to take that screenshot, to lock your screen and turn off your screen, or if you're having issues and you need to restart, now you can just hold this button down for 2 seconds and it will restart your device.